This product or this program is going to be fitting a female rib belt. Female rib belts and male rib belts. The rib belt is rib belt, except for the female, it's trimmed down in the front to allow for the space for the breast. If you only are going to stock one, just stock a female because it can work also on a male, but you can't fit a male on a female. So the measurement for this is taken right below the breast line, and so you just simply get that measurement. We're going to come around here. There you go. And that's how they're sized. And you want that for your medical documentation anyway. And again, this does not need to be a really snug circumferential measurement, but we've got that measurement. And for your documentation, you shouldn't need anything else. These only come in just a very few handful of sizes, so you don't have much inventory to deal with. Again, on any core product, the label is going to be pointing up. So we'll simply center this on the back of the patient. If I could get you turned around like this, make that centered. The patient can grab those tabs, and if you can turn it on, please. I'm going to ask you to make that closure. There we go. And so what a device like this does is it limits a little bit the rib cage expansion with inhalation, because if there's disruption of tissue or a broken rib or whatever, a lot of motion is going to retard the healing. So if we can just stabilize that a little bit without immobilization, but give it some compressive support, limit that expansion just a little bit, then those tissues can heal a little bit quicker. And in the process, this should relieve some of the acute pain they may be feeling. The question is, how tight should it be? It should be snug, but to patient tolerance. Obviously, they do still need to breathe, so you don't want to constrict it too much. But if it gives a nice firm hug, usually that's going to help that injury heal a little bit faster. So that's the fitting of a rib belt, elastic rib belt.